Hello folks, if you've watched any of our recent videos, you've probably noticed that we mentioned our new floors several times. So we got to thinking that perhaps our viewers might like to see the end result. So that's what this video is about. Now, what we put in first is this. Now this is not ceramic. This is actually a porcelain wood plank look tile. And they told us it was supposed to be more durable than the ceramic. So this is what we bought. And this came from Lowe's, and it's called Pensacola Brown. That's the style. Now, I consider myself a do-it-yourself guy. And normally I would tackle a flooring project like this myself. But we had 1,600 square feet to put in. And my wife didn't want to wait 3, 4, 5 months for me to get it done, because I just have one speed. And that speed is not fast or turbo by any means. So I agreed with her, and we hired a company that was recommended to us called SCR out of League City, Texas. And they really did a good job. So we didn't make videos for 3 or 4 weeks. And if you look at these stills, you can see why. I mean, this is my house during the installation project. You can look at the rooms here and the work that's going on. And look at this. This is my shop. And you'll notice furniture's in here. It's packed stem to stern. And her workroom, her craft room, same situation. So we couldn't get any work done, and we couldn't make any videos. It took them 10 days to finish the project, and it took us another 2 weeks to put everything back together. Now here's some pictures of what we had in the house before we installed the new tile. Now we had in the kitchen, dining room, and utility room, and entry hall, we had this white tile. Now this is an old-fashioned pattern. My wife found it unattractive. In the other rooms, we had this brown carpet, which was really pretty when it was first installed years ago. But now it's just mostly grody looking. So here's what we have now. Now this is the kitchen and the utility room. And what a difference. Hello, honey.
Hi, sweetie.
And to save money, I decided to install colored caulk around the cabinet bottoms myself. But I haven't got around to that yet. Here's the dining room, and this is my grandmother's 100-year-old plus furniture. This room looks much more elegant now. So here's the living room, and also to save money, I installed the corner round moldings, which we didn't have before. Here's the master bedroom. Now we purchased the bed, but I built the nightstands and the 16-drawer dresser. And finally, this is our guest bedroom, and this is antique furniture, which my wife purchased, again because she didn't want to wait on me. She tends to be a bit impatient, which really doesn't work well with my one speed. So if there's been any one drawback to this tile, it's that it's the color, and that it's really dark and it shows everything. So if you put in a dark tile floor like this, be prepared to vacuum every day. So folks, be sure to like our video, and be sure to go below and subscribe to our channel and ring that bell. And don't hesitate to comment, make suggestions, or ask us questions, and I will get back to you. So until next time, thanks for watching.